Hi, this is Elisa from WTI, and today I'm here to share my favorite breakfast. And it's my yogurt bowl with fruit, but what makes it unique? It's this low carb keto nut granola. Yes, this is so tasty, and I love that it only uses monk fruit as a sweetener, which means that it doesn't have any added sugars that will spike up your glucose. So if even you're suffering from diabetes or any other relative, this is a great alternative since it's not full of sugar. Also, I love that it has cinnamon, so it gives it that extra sweet, natural flavor. And it's only made of seeds and coconut. So it's very, very healthy fat and it's high in fiber. So I love making this, very simple as I mentioned, but delicious. So right here I have my bowl. And you're gonna see the texture of that granola. I have blueberries on my bowl and the yogurt, the Greek yogurt, but I want you to hear the little crunch right here. It's so delicious. You have to try it. I love using this for my family since it's a very, very clean item. And I know you'll love it too. And that's just my point of view.